can see, the fence line is just a complete, utter mess. This is looking through the fence slat. So I've had the police out here. They're giving me a case number. This is the fence. And this is the garbage around the fence. It's massive. And there's nothing I can really do unless I catch somebody in the act. So anyway, by the way, this property is owned by a company owned and operated in Orem, Utah. I have petitioned them several times about repairing the fence and preventing the neighbors from dumping garbage in our yard. They have never responded to me once. Well, this is the little guy that started it all. With pests coming into the yard, I decided to do something about it.